flashes, power flashes. We are just south. Of Emmaus Baptist Church. We got a huge tornado on the ground. Huge tornado on the ground. We're looking back towards I-44. It is a monster. We have got a huge tornado on the ground. This is the real deal right here. Huge tornado on the ground. We've seen power flashes. It's staying there. This is a serious tornado right here, people. We've had debris falling down on our heads here for about the last 10 minutes. Leaves, saw a piece of cloth, just stuff coming out from it. Gotta wipe the camera, hang on. Okay, we're good. Will you please turn the radio up for me while I'm videoing? It's lifting back up. This is a very, you can see this tornado, it's coming back to the ground, back to the ground. You want to wipe the camera for a second? This is the real deal, people. I got us. We're okay. Yep.
John, it's coming our way. We gotta go.
I know. Just hold tight. We gotta get this shot.
Hold tight. Come on. Where's Brian? John.
Baby cakes, I'm with you. It's okay. Give me a second. We've got to do this.
Well, I got it here. Come on.
Right? It's like an I-44.
It's just dancing out there. We're okay for a minute. It just dissipated. No, we still got a little something. Let me see if I can zoom us in.
Alright, do that wiper stuff.
Dude, we got a horizontal tornado. Horizontal funnel in the sky. In the sky, people. Horizontal. Horizontal.
John, let's move. It's
okay.
this way.